So another sequencer editor video. I'll show you how to cut regions in Soundbite. So one way was to use the scissor C and then cut it. Another way is if you have this beam uh, and you just press Apple Y, then you can, and at that place there'll be a cut. Another way to cut a whole region is select the region and then press Apple Y, and you'll have that as a separate soundbite. Uh, we'll just go through the tools. It's in Studios. So this is the arrow pointer, which is uses A, letter A, and the I beam, which uses letter I. So if I want to switch from arrow to I, just press I once and I'll do the selection and then leave the I. It goes back to arrow. If I want the I without a, for a longer time, just press the I twice and then it stays at I. Then I can just keep on selecting as I wish. Then to go back to the arrow, I press the A twice. uh, C is for scissors. So again, if I press twice C, I'll get the scissor tool. uh, P is for pencil tool, twice P, and I go to the pencil tool, go back, and then double A to go back to the arrow.